Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the Australia-India CEO Forum in Melbourne alongside Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, where he highlighted India's growing economic potential and encouraged Australian companies to expand their investments in the country. Concor has been awarded the AEOLO Authorized Economic Operator Logistics Operator Certificate under the Authorized Economic Operator Program of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. The certification recognizes Concor's commitment to maintaining high standards of regulatory compliance, supply chain security, and operational excellence across its logistics network. Indian Overseas Bank has announced that shareholders have approved all resolutions placed before the 26th Annual General Meeting, including a proposal to raise up to 5,000 crore rupees through various equity issuance routes during FY 2026-27. State-owned NTPC Limited's wholly owned subsidiary, NTPC Renewable Energy Limited, has issued a significant contract amounting to 558.29 crores rupees to Insolation Green Energy Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Insolation Energy Limited. The contract has been awarded by the NTPC Renewable Energy Limited. The contract has been issued for the supply of solar PV modules. India and Australia have significantly strengthened their comprehensive strategic partnership with the announcement of 18 major agreements and strategic initiatives during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's official visit to Australia. The comprehensive package of agreements aims to enhance cooperation across strategic sectors while promoting economic growth, innovation, regional security, and people-to-people ties. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has secured another major transmission infrastructure project after being declared the successful bidder under the tariff-based competitive bidding process. Project to be implemented on a build, own, operate, and transfer basis. In a major push towards sustainable heavy-duty commercial logistics, the Concor and GAIL India Limited have officially signed a long-term strategic agreement. The partnership paves the way for the establishment of a state-of-the-art liquefied natural gas dispensing station at Concor's Inland Container Depot, located in Khodiyar, Ahmedabad. CMPDI is making a meaningful impact through its CSR initiative, Dhwani, which is helping children with hearing impairment receive life-changing cochlear implant treatment at AIIMS Nagpur. As part of the project, CMPDI is fully sponsoring the cochlear implant treatment of 13 children aged 7 years or below from below poverty line and economically weaker section families. ONGC has organized a safety workshop at its Rajahmundry asset to promote safer operations and strengthen compliance with the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020. During the workshop, participants discussed the latest safety practices, regulatory requirements, and ways to improve workplace safety across oil and gas operations. The Defence Research and Development Organisation has successfully carried out a trial of the Pinaka Long Range Guided Rocket (LRGR) at the Integrated Test Range Chandipur, marking another important milestone in India's indigenous defence capabilities.